Wins. Go ahead, Pickle. Go ahead, Pickle. And your Colorado Avalanche. L. There's icing, no offsides. Yeah! Let's go! Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Look down. Bruins takes a shot on net. Save by Pickle. Smokey, oh my god. Almost scores. Smokey again. Save by breakaway. Bruins misses wide and it goes out. In the middle. Bruins a shot. No goal. It hit off the goalie, went off the post. Went off the goalie, went off the post. He can still get there. Smokey flicks it away. Bruins a shot off the side of the net. It over. Goalie comes out. Poke checks it. Another poke check. What a save. Gloved. I can try to. Bar. Yes! Yes! Bang! Let's go. Taken by Bruins. Bruins, shot, score! A good goal by Bruins on the breakaway off the faceoff, and he misses the net wide. Bruins, shot, save by the pad of Pickle on the breakaway. Can't get to it. Save. Rebound behind. Wins it. Smokey, shot off the bar. Shot by Smokey, it's in the net! We have a good goal! Yep, it's in the net. Okay, so the official decision on the ice is a good goal after the challenge. Room. Shot off the blocker, what a save. Big Red Bruins on the break! Save! Big Red Bruins takes a shot off the pad and a good save. It's flipped over, that's gonna be a penalty shot. Start. To take a 4-1 lead. Save by Vince. What a save! Score! Big Bad Bruins buries it for the Boston Bruins. Left, Bruins scores! Off a great shot on a breakaway. Smokey, I'll go in. Game is over! The Boston Bruins beat the Colorado Avalanche 4-2. Let's go. Yo, good win. Attaway, Pickle. Handshake line, everybody. Take off your gloves. Take off your gloves. Come on, guys. Get up to this line. Handshake line. Get on the blue line. Get on the blue line. Get on the blue line. Move back to the blue line. All right, let's go. Let's go. Good game. Good game. Good game. Hope to meet you guys later. Let's go. All right. All right. This will be the first game of the VRNHL. We hope to see you guys next time.